Dalet Brio combined with the Dalet Media Navigator module forms a cost-effective and flexible solution for studio ingest and playout. Hosted on the Brio server or on a remote machine, Media Navigator can control up to 8 Dalet Brio ports, players, or recorders from a single user interface. Now you can see a configuration with 3 players and 1 recorder. Relying on a client-server architecture, clips and playlists can be shared between several Media Navigator clients, allowing collaborative workflows for fast-paced studio environments. Now let's start with the players. Each player can be switched between different modes, automatic, manual, or time delay mode, to cover any possible use case. In auto mode, the player will play back-to-back with the attached playlist with possible transit points. The progress bar will change from green to orange to red when reaching the end of the clip. As you can see, the next clip is automatically queued and played with a clear status. The playlist can be modified during playout and can be played in loop. In addition to the current and next item counters, one can configure the big counter to show the backwards time before the end of the current item or playlist. In manual mode, any media can be put on air immediately by loading the clip using a keyboard shortcut or the control panel. The next clip can be queued and played back-to-back at any time. In addition to the playlist, on-air numbers can be set for each clip. Using this number, the operator can recall very quickly any clip from a single or several playlists. Playlists can be attached to a player in manual mode for easy access for the prepared content. On-air numbers are also available in this configuration. By activating the edit mode, virtual clips can be trimmed using the contextual timeline and saved in playlist without creating new material. Time delay mode is used for growing files. Let's see how you can ingest material. Triggering an ingest job using Media Navigator is extremely easy. Define a name, select a folder to store the new clip in, change the default if needed, and press the recording button. A preview of the incoming feed is available, including audio meters. Any growing media can be loaded in a player in time delay mode. The contextual timeline grows as the media size increases. The media can be edited and trimmed to create highlights in a playlist. Simply press the Save button, use the keyboard shortcut, or the control panel to save the highlight in the active playlist. Highlights can be put on air using any player, including the associated PGM channel when the preview program mode is enabled. Slow motion can be applied during the playout using the control panel T-bar. Finally, Media Navigator can import playlists from an external system, turning it into a very efficient disaster recovery playout solution. If you want to find out more about Dalet Brio and Dalet Media Navigator, please visit www.dalet.com.